Hey, cabin timers, Cabin Joe here. If your vacation planning involves cousins, grandparents, in-laws, and that one friend who always brings way too much food, Minocqua is built for you. Start with your base camp around the Minocqua Chain, Lake Minocqua, Tomahawk, plus nearby spots like Booth Lake and Johnson Lake. You'll find big log homes and resort clusters that sleep a crowd. Look for places with multiple bathrooms, big kitchens, long dining tables, and a yard where you can set up bean bags and ladder golf. Next, boats. A multifamily vacation in Minocqua without a pontoon is like a brat without mustard. Check out Minocqua Lakeside on Park Avenue, Lakeside Rentals and Marina, Minocqua Pontoon Cruises and Rentals, or your boat club at BJ's Sport Shop on Highway 51 for pontoons, ski boats, and fishing rigs. Some of them will even deliver your rental right to a public landing or resort dock on the chain. Load up coolers, lawn chairs, the kids, and someone in charge of the Bluetooth speaker, then cruise from Lake Minocqua under the 51 bridge into Kawaguesaga and out toward Tomahawk Lake. Drop anchor at a sandbar, tie off a flotilla of inflatables, and let the younger cousins wear themselves out in the shallows while the grandparents supervise from deck chairs. Need a land-based day for part of the group? The Bearskin State Trail starts right in downtown Minocqua behind the shops and heads 21-plus miles south toward Tomahawk on a packed granite rail trail. That first stretch takes you over a trestle that actually crosses a corner of Lake Minocqua, which makes for an awesome multi-generational stroll or bike ride. On a different day, split up and let people pick their fun. Some folks hit Wildwood Wildlife Park Zoo and Safari with the littles. The adrenaline crowd heads to Northwoods zipline adventure tours just south of town on Highway 51 to zip 1,000 feet over a wilderness lake or join an Argo ATV or Tomahawk River kayak tour. The We Just Want a Beer squad posts up at the Minocqua Brewing Company taproom, housed in a rehabbed 1930s Texaco station on Highway 51, and tries a flight of their progressive-themed beers. Food-wise, you can keep it simple at the cabin with brats and burgers, but you've also got some great group-friendly spots in town. The Boathouse on Park Avenue is a classic. Fine dining in a relaxed room with piano music upstairs and huge windows overlooking Lake Minocqua. It even has seasonal dockside access if you want to arrive by boat. Closer to the bridge, the Thirsty Whale sits right over the water and is perfect for big casual lunches or dinners where some of the group ends up at the bar and some stay on the deck. Rain and cabin fever? Take the crew to Island City Lanes and Lounge on Highway 51 South. 12 bowling lanes, grill menu, and a full bar. Or let the kids shred the slides at the Waters of Minocqua Indoor Water Park while the older generation spectates from a hot tub chair. If you can swing it, schedule your big trip during Beef-A-Rama in late September. Oneida Street, downtown, closes to traffic. Roasters line the streets. There's the Lakeland Rotary Rump Roast Run, kids' activities, live music, beer gardens in Torpy Park, and a cow-themed costume contest. Total chaos in the best way for large groups. When the day winds down, everyone filters back to the cabins. Some on foot from downtown, some by boat, some by truck. Grills fire up, loons start yodeling, kids chase fireflies, and someone inevitably starts telling the story of that time the pontoon almost didn't clear the bridge. To make it real, head to rentwisconsincabins.com, search Minocqua, and look for those big homes and resort clusters that can handle your whole circus. Book direct with owners and managers, keep your budget focused on fun, and bring everybody north. I'm Cabin Joe. Hope your next family reunion smells like pine, charcoal, and sunscreen.